These are examples of problems for Applied Mathematics Level 5, and these are examples of how to find the area of a circle. And the first problem I have for you is that we need to find the area of a circular hole that is 7.25 inches in diameter. The formula to find area for a circle is pi, which is 3.14 times radius squared. Now radius always equals 1/2 of the diameter. Whenever you square something, you're going to multiply that number by itself, however many times the exponent is, in this case 2. So area for this problem equals 3.14 times half the diameter. The diameter is 7.25 inches, so half of that is 3.625, and then we'll have to square that, or multiply 3.625 times itself. So therefore our area equals 3.14 times 13.14. That would equal 3.625 times 3.625. So if we do that math, our answer for the area of the circular hole is 41.259. This is another area problem using a circle, but it's a little more complicated. A circular fountain is 10 feet in diameter, and the circular walkway around the fountain is 3 feet wide. What is the area of the walk, or the walkway? So we know that to find the area, we just decided that was pi, or 3.14, times radius squared. In order to find the radius, the first thing we need to know is the diameter, because radius represents half of the diameter. So we have this fountain that is 10 feet in diameter, and then we have a walkway around this fountain that is 3 feet wide. And we need to find the area of just the walkway. So the first thing that we probably need to do is determine the area of the total. Because then once we find the area of the total, we can subtract the area of the interior and we will get the area of the walkway. Now the total includes the fountain itself, which is 10. It includes the 3 feet on this side for the walkway, but it also includes the 3 feet on this side of the walkway. So our total diameter for the fountain and the walkway is 16 feet. So to find our total area, we would say pi, 3.14, times radius. If radius is half the diameter, that means our radius is 8. Half of 16 is 8. And we'll square that. 3.14 times 64, which is 8 squared. 8 times 8 is 64. That gives us a total of 200.96. Now we need to find the area of just the fountain. Again, we do pi, 3.14, times the radius. Now, the diameter of the fountain is 10, and if radius is half of the diameter, that would make the radius 5, and we square that. So 3.14 times 25, which is 5 times 5, that's 5 squared. That gives us 78.5. Now if we take the total amount that we found, which was 200.96, and we subtract the area we found for the fountain, which was 78.5, we will get an answer of 122.46. That is the area of just the walkway. This is the last problem I'm going to help you work with to find the area of a circle. In this one, they tell us that a forest ranger can see 9 miles from his tower. How many square miles can he see? Well, let's think about our forest ranger in his tower. We have our little forest ranger guy here. and this is his tower. And we know that he can see 9 miles this way, and 9 miles this way, and 9 miles this way, and 9 miles this way. He can look left, right. Actually, he can turn in any direction, and he can see 9 miles. So you begin to see that what he actually can see forms the shape of a circle. So we need to find the area of this circle. And we know that he can see in this direction 9 miles and in this direction 9 miles. So our full diameter of his circle is 18 miles. Now we just need to apply our formula for area, which is 3.14 times radius squared. Radius is half the diameter, so that would be 9 squared. 3.14 times 9 squared is 81. 9 times 9 is 81. And if we do that math, we come up with 254.34. That is the amount of square miles that the forest ranger can observe from his tower.